Hey everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So there you see my spread in my B6 Traveler's Notebook, the week on 2 pages printable from Annie Plans Printables. And that's a spread for April 30th through to Sunday, May 6th, where I use the Kinley's Doodles April Doodlebox sticker kit. And I love how it's so neutral, but still you've got the lovely florals. And then I use the silver foil washi from Pretty Cute Planner. So this week, let's just fold the pages out so it's easier to decorate on. So this week I'm going to be using a kit that I've actually had since last summer but haven't had a chance to use. It's the Lemon Fizz from Let's Plan It, and I purchased just a few of the sheets a la carte. So I purchased the full boxes. I purchased, I think these are the horizontal washi strips, and then I purchased some of the checklists and some more horizontal things here. But I thought it would be a great place to use it because it's so cute and colorful, and it's very summery. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do with this kit is take these, I guess, really thin washi strips and place them over the header just like that. Now, I don't think these are necessarily washi strips made for a traveler's notebook. This kit was made for the horizontal Erin Condren, but I'm the type that will use any sticker kit in any of my planners. If I like the design and the stickers that are included are what I will use, then I will buy it. So I think these are actually header stickers, which I'm going to place down at the bottom, and I didn't like the way the weekend banner looks, so I didn't place that over Saturday and Sunday. And I love these full boxes, and these two that I'm putting down right now actually make up a whole picture, and I love the look of that. But I'm placing a to-do box over that with a little to-do half circle, and this place is where I keep track of any video ideas that might come. And then the scallop quarter boxes are going to notate the videos or the days that I'd like to upload certain videos. And another checklist for Saturday and Sunday. Sometimes I do my filming on Saturday and Sunday, and sometimes I do it on a Tuesday. It really depends on when I have time. And then using the YouTube script stickers from Green Darner Designs, putting in some upload stickers. I love this full box that goes down on Monday. Those lemons are so cute. And then I'm trying to place another full box. I wanted to place that on Thursday, and then I realized that if I placed it on Wednesday, I'd have two boxes right next to each other. So I decided just to leave it like that. And then placing a checklist on Tuesday for the videos I'd like to film and edit. Now the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to put a couple of flags down for some hashtags, but then I'm going to try and put that header washi down and then realize that the flag that I want to use is actually the same pattern, so I changed this up and put down the yellow washi strip along with this flag, and that's where I'm going to keep track of my YouTube and Instagram stats. It's actually nice to see it on a week-to-week basis. Some weeks the numbers are great, some weeks I look at it and think, wow, nothing changed. But it's nice for me to look back on. And then placing a few more film and edit stickers from Green Darner Designs along the spread. So now I'm just going to write in the hashtags for each day, as well as when I'd like to film and when I'd like to upload certain videos. This is not really a schedule that I stick to. This is more just so I know what needs to be done. The main things that I really try to stick to are when the videos are uploaded. The filming happens whenever I can get that in, but the uploading of those videos, those stay pretty constant. If I am late on a certain video, it's just I ran out of time for filming, and that happens. So on the left hand side here is where I keep track of my PR posts for the Etsy shops or the designers that I PR for, like Green Darner Designs and Kinley's Doodles and Tracy Reed. And then this to-do box here is for other video ideas. But that's it for me. Really quick video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.